Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can share your TikTok QR code to others. So here I've already on TikTok, and if you don't know, you can now add the QR code of your TikTok profile and send it to your friends so that they can follow you. And here is how you can do that. After you open TikTok, go to your profile, and here you can see there is a QR code here, just a little one here. You can click on that and your QR code will appear. You can change the background color by tapping on the background like this, and if you want to share it, you can see there are so many options in here. You can share it to WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, message, Twitter, and also other social media platform. Okay, you can just choose which one that you want to share and send it to your friends so that they can follow your TikTok. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. And last, please click on the thanks below. Thank you guys. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.